Manny Pacquiao, boxing champion, basketball coach, and sometimes singer, is no rookie to the political ring. Since 2010, he's a congressman representing the Philippines district of Sarangani Province, his wife's home region. Now, the 36-year-old will face his greatest political challenge yet. He's named a candidate for senator in next year's elections. The Pac-Man may be an 8-division world boxing champion, but is he just as accomplished as a congressman? Pacquiao is the country's richest and most famous celebrity. In 2014, he was the only peso billionaire in the House of Representatives. Known for his philanthropy, Pacquiao often donates money from his fights to charities.
Makita ako na mga nangailangan ng tulong, nakita ako na mga natutulog sa bangkita, walang makain. Parang dinudurog yung puso ko dahil maalala ko kagad yung kung saan ako nanggaling.
He helped start programs to give cattle to farmers and small boat motors to fishermen. He supported bills that would raise the country's minimum wage to $3 a day. Pacquiao's most notable political accomplishment is his 2010 speech against human trafficking. He wanted to push for a bigger budget that will allow a committee to monitor and put stop to the problem. But being generous may not be enough in politics. In 5 years, none of the dozen bills that Pacquiao filed passed through. These bills concern boxing and sports development, health, and building a provincial hospital. His attendance is also the lowest in Congress. He only showed up for work in Manila 4 days in 2014 because he had to train for 2 fights that year. If Pacquiao wins a seat, he'll be one of the 24 senators and becomes an immediate presidential contender in future elections. Pacquiao is too young to run for president in 2016. Philippine presidents must be at least 40 years old according to the constitution, but he's already being tipped to run for the top job in 2022.